and England, even the military comparisons also going on. So military powers also, they want to increase the military powers. Okay. So when this competition is going on here, so Austria was there. So in Austria, so Austria declared war on Serbia. So Austria has declared war on Serbia. So just I will show you. So here, think that, okay, yes. So just Germany, next England, okay. So these are the two standard bearer countries. So here Austria was there. So Austria is at the side of Germany. Okay. So before going to this war, so just only two countries are fighting each other, Austria and Serbia. Now, Serbia is a small country, and if the army is coming and fighting on this Serbia, then Serbia doesn't have that much of power to defeat this Austria. Then immediately, Serbia is going to ask the support from France. Okay. Then France has given support, and the France army has came to the rescue of the Serbia, and they are fighting with Austria. Now, Austria is not capable of fighting with France. Then immediately they are going to take the support of Italy. So Italy and France both are fighting, and again the other side is the Austria and Serbia both are fighting each other. When this conflict is going on between the armies, then immediately, so the France is going to take the support of England. Next, when England has declared support for France and Serbia, the war became very big one. Okay, why means because when England is came forward, then immediately Italy also asked support from Germany. So when the two powers, that is Germany and England, involved in the war was became very big one. Okay, and this war is called as the First World War. Okay, and next, so that is happened by year. So in the year 1914, so Italy, France, these four countries are fighting, and finally, again at the end of December, so the Germany and England, they are involved in the war, and it was became very big one. Okay, big war was broke out, and next after that, they for fighting this great war, so they are getting the soldiers from Africa. As this Africa has having these slaves. Okay, so many slaves are taken from Africa. So they have taken from Africa, and by the Germany, Italy, like that. So Italy also occupied many countries. France also occupied many countries. So so they are spending these slaves in the war. Okay, then same like that. The England is also brought the many soldiers from around the world. Example from India. So in India, so if you take this Nizams, at the time Nizams were there. So Nizam soldiers, some of the Nizam soldiers, they went for support of England in the war. That's why that means here Nizams is there, Nizam rulers are there. Okay, Nizam rulers in Hyderabad, Telangana. So these peoples, they did not occupied by Britishers. Why means because there is one treaty was there. What is the treaty means? In the First World War, so Nizams has England has asked the Nizams to send some of the soldiers, as Nizams is having the powerful soldiers. So England has asked these Nizams to send soldiers to fight in the World War One. Then Nizams has sent to this World War One. Okay, for the on the support of this England. So in this way, the war was broke out. So this is the First World War. Okay, this is called just World War One, and finally later. So when these three countries are fighting, so other side, the other supporters also came. Okay. Sorry, just wait. Yes, see here. The other supporters are on the side of England. So Russia has joined on the side of this England. In those days only, Russia is also having the largest army. Okay, France, Russia like this. Next, the other side is, so here Turkey was there. So on the side of Germany, Italy, and Austria, so Turkey has joined. So in those days, Turkey was also having the largest army to counter with Russia. So for countering of Russia, Turkey has given support at the side of Germany. Okay, Italy and France are fighting each other. Germany and England fighting each other. Austria and Serbia fighting each other. So like this, the war was became very big one, and this is called as this World War One. Next, in this World War One, so other countries also joined on the side of England. So on the side of Germany, just only these countries are participating, but the other side, that is the England, Russia, and France. So Serbia and the other countries are like Poland. Next, USA. USA is also at the time underdeveloping country. It is also building its own army, just slowly developing USA. So USA also supported on the side of this England. Next, after that, Romania. Okay. Next, Belgium. Okay, Netherlands. So many countries have joined at the side of this England. And finally, in the World War One, who got the victory means the England group. Okay, so England group has got the victory, and all the German group was defeated. Okay, but in the year 1917, so I said that 1914. Okay, so actually 1914 to 18 is there. So, but in between this one, 1917 was there. Okay, so in the year 1917, Russia has withdrawn from the war. Why means because in the Russia revolution was broke out. So to control this revolution, immediately Russia declared that we are not going to participate in the war as the Russia is facing the revolution. Okay, like that. So in this way, the war was broke out, and finally in the 1918, by the end of December, so the war was stopped when all the forces are surrendered to the England forces. That is, German forces are surrendered to England forces. And in the year 1919, in the year 1919, a place called as, it's called as just Versailles. This is the name of the place. In which country means France. This is one of the important city in the France after Paris. Okay, so it is called as just France, and in the France we can see this Versailles. So in the Versailles, a treaty was signed by the defeated countries. Okay, defeated countries. So defeated countries, they want to protect their people. Then immediately all the countries, they have surrendered to the England forces, England group people. That is England group armies. Then finally, what is agreement means? The Germany should not build their army for 10 years, and their income should be given for England. The same like that, the Italy's army also should not build for 5 years, and their 5 years income should be given for the France. Okay, like that. So many agreements are made, and finally these agreements is called as just Versailles Treaty, Treaty of Versailles. Okay, so for this, after this, Germany was completely spoiled, ruined by all these armies. So Germany became very poor country after World War One. Next, after this, so Germany is once again, after releasing from this treaty, that is the Versailles Treaty, in the after 10 years. So once again, the Germany want to develop equally with England. So for that, once again, Germany has developed very fast, and once again, so it was became equally with England in the year 1939. Okay, but actually in the year 1932, so when Germany was facing many troubles and problems in the political problems, as well as the internal problems and unemployment like that is there. So for this, so one person was there. So his name is the Hitler. Okay, so now we are going to discuss about the Hitler after World War One. So here, if you see here, so Nazism and the rise of Hitler. So Nazism, why we are calling this as Nazism means, so this is the name of the political party, that is Hitler's party. Its name is just a Nazi party. It's called just as Nazi party. Okay, Nazi party is nothing but the Hitler's party. So what is the meaning for Nazi means? It is called as the communist party, or just we can call this as a democratic people's party. So in the German people, in the German language, it is called as just Nazi means nothing but just people. Okay, people nothing but just Nazi party means people's party, like that he named. And here the German. So here, if you see here, first we'll discuss one by one about this Hitler. So Hitler once